This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on Lyft efficiently. Follow these simple steps to ensure you receive your earnings without any hassle. Step 1. Open the Lyft Driver app. Launch the Lyft Driver app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your driver account to access your earnings and payout options. Step 2. Navigate to the Earnings section. Once in the app, locate the Earnings tab. This section displays your total earnings, including any bonuses or incentives you may have earned during your driving sessions. Step 3. Select Payout Options. In the Earnings section, look for the option to request a payout. This may be labeled as Cash Out or Request Payout. Tap on this option to proceed to the payout request screen. Step 4. Choose your payout method. You will be presented with different payout methods such as direct deposit or instant pay. Select your preferred method and ensure that your payment information is up to date to avoid any delays. Step 5. Confirm and submit your request. After selecting your payout method, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, submit your payout request. You should receive a notification confirming that your request has been processed. By following these steps, you can easily request your payouts on Lyft. Make sure to check your app regularly for updates and any changes to the payout process.